Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Burnt Brass Homestead channel. This is Memorial Day weekend. Some of you are spending Memorial Day weekend recognizing the fallen soldiers. Some are enjoying time at the shore. Others are working, perhaps overtime, to meet the demand of current inflation. As for myself, in addition to recognizing the purpose of this day, I plan on spending the weekend working around the homestead, hanging out with my wonderful husband, and working with dough. Working with dough and having the ability to make homemade breads, whether simple or artisan, making pasta, rolls, pies, cakes, will be a big deal if the average cost of bread rises above $8 a loaf. This is especially true if you are a part of a big family. We purchased a bag of organic lemons at the market. With that, I made a lemon cake with silky buttermilk icing. I zested and juiced all of the lemons, in total about 8 or 9. I made lemon cake, lemonade, and lemon rosemary chicken. I dehydrated the leftover lemon zest in the oven using the oven light and inserting a wooden spoon in the door to allow some airflow. Think about all the lemonade made over the years and the zest that was thrown away. This is a good time to identify all the waste we generate. What about the number of times we baked a whole chicken or turkey and threw away the carcass instead of using it to make bone broth? A pint of bone broth costs anywhere between $6 and $9 at the market. For those of you who have never done so, I recommend making a fresh loaf of bread from scratch, biscuits, or English muffin. It will likely come in handy sooner or later.